Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Today I am going to show you how to properly clean ackee. For my international family, you probably don't know what akee is. Let me enlighten you a bit. Akee is the national fruit of Jamaica, as well as a component of the dish akee and salt fish. If you haven't tried this dish before, you need to try it. It is the bomb.com, I'm telling you. And you don't have to use saltfish. If you don't eat saltfish, you can add your favorite spices in this dish. This recipe can be eaten with dumplings and bananas, ground provision, rice, or even fried dumplings. Although the akee is not indigenous to Jamaica, it has remarkable historic associations. Originally, it was imported to the island from West Africa, probably on a slave ship. Without any further delay, let's get into the cleaning process. I am going to use this knife to help me out. This process is pretty easy and simple. All you need to do is remove that seed from the pod, and you're going to use your knife to clean inside. In order to clean the akee properly, you want to remove the seed, which we have done earlier, and you want to remove that pink or reddish membrane. Once you remove that, you want to cut off any excess pink that you see, and this will leave you to have nice clean akees. So let me do a few more for you so you can see how it is done properly. Once you have gotten the hang of it and you start to do more and more akees, you will realize that your hands have liquidy stuff on it. So you want to get a piece of napkin or a piece of cloth nearby for you to wipe your hands whenever you feel the need to. So remember, I mentioned earlier that whenever you're doing akees, your hands will have some liquidy stuff on it and you would need to wipe it off with a napkin or a cloth. I find it really difficult to remove the seed from the pod and then clean it right after. What I do is remove all those seeds, add them to a container to be disposed of, and then I continue on cleaning each pod. So once you do them nice and clean like this, you are good to go. I won't do all of these on camera because that would take a lot of time. So guys, I will go off camera and do the rest. This is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Until next time, bye.